Today we are visiting the brand new Town Center Park and Splash Pad in St. Michael, Minnesota.
Town Center Park and Playground. Brand new park here in St. Michael, right next to the library.
There's a splash pad over there. Go ahead, Enzo. Go, Enzo. Is that one fun? Oh, can you do it? Woo! That one, next one's a little wobbly. Whoa! You gonna do it too, Zeke? Oh, can you make it over there? Climb?
That's the wrong way, Enzo.
There's Xander up there. What's this, Enzo? Enzo! Look at it! Can you go down that slide again? Enzo loved the bumpy slide. We're going to check out this cool little playhouse. Hi! Come down this slide, Enzo. Oh, you're gonna go down like that? 1, 2, 3. Are you gonna see your butt? Go! Sit down. What is that? Step on it. I don't know. Went through the little tunnel. Hi, peekaboo. Enzo, you ready to try the zip line? Sit back. Hold on. Here we go. Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Hey, get back here. There's Daddy. Have Daddy push you. Push him. Here goes Daddy. Gonna push Enzo on the zip line again. Ready, Enzo? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Hold on. Woo! This is a very cool park, you guys. Whoa! Is that fun? Since the park was brand new, there's clearly some landscaping that still needed to be done. Also notice it's conveniently located right next to the St. Michael Library.
Yep.
I want to see Joey before I even it starts to go into that.
Is that fun, Enzo?
One more time? Are you done?
Oh, one more time.
Let him go one more time. Ready? 1. Xander, let him go. 1, 2, 3. Our 3-year-old Enzo was even able to do this zip line all by himself. Here comes Zeke on the zip line. Hey, ready? Here he goes. Woo!
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on tight. Again? Whoa! Mason over here. Close it, Mason. Why are you getting off? I have to make a YouTube video for you. Here you go, ahead, Zeke. Show me the monkey bars. Ooh, good job. Keep going. You did it. High five. Oh, here comes Xander. Go, Xander. Go. Go, Xander could do it. Go, Enzo.
Oh, he's
go.
gonna fall.
He's gotta go. Are you done?
He jumped down.
Let go. Okay, just wait, Enzo. Climb up there. Hold on. Whee. Careful, Zeke. Is that fun, Enzo? He's on the top. Mason and Seamus climbing to the top. You gonna go down the big slide? Alright. Let's see you go down it. Go! Ooh, is it hot? Hot? Here, stand up. Ooh, this slide's very hot. Now we are going to the splash pad. They also have a snack bar
Here, this building is a snack bar, and there is also a few bathrooms, including family ones, behind.
Go see the splash pad. Go, Enzo! Here's the splash pad. 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Are you guys gonna run through? Here you go.
This water was freezing, so be sure to come on a hot day if you really want to enjoy it. Also notice there are plenty of picnic tables and shaded areas to sit and relax and maybe enjoy a lunch at the park.
Ready? Run through.
Okay, there it goes!
You don't need this. Please like and subscribe to our channel.